Today we're going to work on finding the area of a sector. A sector is a piece of the circle, like a piece of pizza, okay? And we're going to use this proportion up here to figure it out. So the arc length, arc is like the crust. So this arc here is part of the whole circumference. It's kind of about 1/3 of it. And then the sector area here is part of the whole area of the circle. Also, it looks again to be kind of like 1/3. Okay, so we're going to plug numbers into this proportion here. So the arc length is this bold line right here, 10.5. The circumference of the circle, well, we'll have to figure that out. Circumference is pi times diameter. Diameter is the distance all the way across the circle. So 5 plus 5, which would be 10. And then pi, we're using 3.14. So in a calculator, we're going to do 10 times 3.14. So that's 31 4/10. Right, the area of the sector, we don't know that. We're trying to figure it out. So we'll just have that be x. And then the circle area, that is pi times radius squared. The radius or distance halfway across that circle is 5. So we're going to do 5 times 5 times 3.14. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. 1/4. All right, so 78.5. And then we have to solve this proportion. It's going to be challenging to use arrows, so let's cross multiply. We'll multiply this way, and we'll use our calculator. So I already have this number in here, so I'm going to multiply it by 10.5. Oopsies. So we get 824 and 25/100. Okay, then if we multiply this way, we get 31 and 4/10 x. Okay, so 31 and 4/10 or 31.4 times some number is equal to this. That's going to be hard to figure out in our heads, so let's use the inverse operation and let's divide both sides by 31 and 4/10. When we divide over here on the right, any number divided by itself is 1, and 1x is the same as just x. So then we'll plug this into a calculator. I already have, oh, never mind, it didn't save my number. 8, 24, 25 divided by 31.4. So it's 26 and 25/100. All right, watch the next video to see the answer to number 1.